When it's cold outside, a lot of people really like the option to have the heated steering wheel, but they always ask me, how do you turn it on and how do you turn it off? From your control panel here, just simply go to your climate control settings, hit menu, look for the little heated steering wheel icon here, push it. When it's red, it's on. When it's white, it's off. And that's how you activate and turn on and off the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. For information about this vehicle or any others that we do have, you can visit us in Moscow Mills, Missouri, or go to our website, jimtrenaryford.com.